Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this beautiful wintry glam set. It is actually the first winter set that I got to make this year, so I'm very excited about that. I am actually starting off with some extra long coffin nail tips this time. I think it has been a long time since I have actually shown you guys me making extra long coffin press-on nails. So these are just some long coffin tips. I think they're from AliExpress. I just look up gel nail tips and then I see which ones have like good reviews, and that's how I find nail tips on AliExpress. But I will say I don't buy them often. I only had these extra long coffin ones that I bought probably more than a year ago, and I barely use them. I think extra long coffin is very out of style. Not for me. I love that shape. It's actually one of my favorite shapes, if not my number one favorite shape. But yeah, I just had these tips already, so yeah, anyway, I'm like rambling, but I went ahead and applied 2 coats of base coat. First thing I did was buff, then apply the 2 coats of base coat. I cured in between each layer. I did 2 coats because these are extra long nails and because they are from AliExpress, so I don't know if the quality is too good. So I like having a little extra layer of protection, which is just going to build up the nail and make it a little bit stronger. Then I'm going in with Baby Rose from Nail Reserve LA. This is a beautiful pale pink color, just like a really true baby pink, like a pastel, and it is so pigmented. I wish I could have this but in a white gel polish, because it would be absolutely amazing. Like, it would be incredible for French tip nails. So yeah, Nail Reserve, if you're watching, make this color. Just like, don't add the pink pigment, just leave it white and it would be amazing. But the next thing I did is I grabbed this color. I think the number is 028. I'm not sure if I missed that, but I did show it right now in the video. I put that on the middle finger. It is almost like this rose gold type of not a shimmer, but not a pearlescent. It's kind of a mixture of both. And I just applied that on the middle finger. And now I went ahead and grabbed some blooming gel from Nailzbydev, and I'm going in with different colors. I grabbed this lilac color from Nail Reserve LA as well. And then I went ahead with this chunky pink glitter from enailcouture, and then this sheer kind of more fine glitter that's more hot pink from enailcouture as well. And then I'm grabbing this beautiful color called Decked Out, I think, from Nailzbydev. It's just this beautiful gold glitter. I use it all the time. Love this color. So I'm kind of mixing them together, swirling them around, and creating this beautiful marble nail. Sorry if I'm talking so fast. The video was going so quick. But yeah, so I'm kind of holding the nails downward because the blooming gel will spread out, but it will spread onto the sides of the nails if you don't hold the nails downward. So as you can see right there, I had to clean up the edges, and I try to kind of smear the polish back over where I cleaned up the edges so that you don't see any like empty spots where there's no gel polish. So I'm doing that, going back in with the gel whichever color I wanted to add more of, and kind of just swirling them around each other as well. I mean, again, because the blooming gel works so quick, so you gotta work fast. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing here, and just cleaning it up as I go, like I said, making sure that the gel polish is not making my nail lumpy at all, because I don't want to lose my shape. I just want it to be, perfect. So I'm cleaning up before I cure anything. And then whenever I like how it looks, like, I'll play around with it for a while, and then as soon as I like how it looks, I will throw it in the lamp right away before it starts moving or like dripping down to the edges. I will like throw it in the lamp right away because, like I said, the blooming gel blooms really quickly. And yeah, so anyways, this was my first winter nail of the season or of the year. I was so excited to make these winter nails because a customer had actually ordered these, and I was so excited to make them. I think it was part of my winter/Christmas freestyles that I posted on my Instagram. So she was like one of the first ones to order, and I made her order the same day that she ordered it because she had some specific requirements for how she wanted the length to be. And when I'm messaging someone in the moment, I like to just like kind of remember what I'm doing. So I'll make the nails right then and there if it's like something important that I need to remember, because I will totally forget. Like, a fun fact about me is I forget absolutely everything in my life. Like, I forget everything. Honestly, I feel like I might have like short-term memory loss, and that's not even a joke. Like, I actually forget everything. So I wanted to make her nails right away before I forgot anything, because if a week passed, 2 weeks passed, I would not remember, and I would probably mess it up. So yeah, anyway, I'm making these, and she had told me that she really liked gold, pink, and lilac. So I took that very seriously and made her some gold, pink, and lilac winter nails. But as you can see, I applied that gold color to the middle nail. It's more of a rose goldish gold, like metallic-y color. But the reason why I applied it is because I wanted it to be the base for the underneath of the gold glitter that I'm gonna apply from Nailzbydev, the decked out color. I love that color, so I'm going to be applying that on top. But I knew for sure that I wanted to add some really beautiful little snowflakes on top of the marble nail, so I kind of made sure to leave some spots where the snowflakes would look good on top of, if that makes sense. And I'm doing the little dotting tool snowflake method. How many dots is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 little dots, and these little dots are going to make the most perfect snowflake. So you just kind of place them how I placed them here, and then you're going to connect the lines. This is like so fun to do. I absolutely love making these little snowflakes. It makes it so fun and so easy. And the key to getting a really nice crisp snowflake is to make sure that you have a very thin brush, and it'll make sure that your lines are very clean and crisp. And this is just a perfect little design to do when you want to have like a quick snowflake, or you need to draw small snowflakes. Like if you're like doing triple extra long nails and you have the space to do a big nice detailed snowflake with like different designs, totally go for it, because it's not like very often that you get a chance to do that. Like on these nails, these snowflakes fit perfectly. I was able to fit 2 to 3. I think I did 2 per nail. But you were able, like, I was able to fit this many, but if I was doing a much longer nail, I would have for sure been able to fit like a much more detailed snowflake. And then I'm just grabbing the dotting tool and applying little like snow around. Yeah, like these little like I don't know, just like not snowflakes, just like snow falling. And I decided to add another little snowflake right here in the corner because I felt like it was just looked a little too empty and I wanted to add a little more art to it. So yeah, I went ahead and added that, and I absolutely love how these turned out. They're like the most perfect glam winter nails. I made sure to ask her. I was like, you do like glam nails, right? Like, do you like charms? Do you like rhinestones? And she was like, yes, I love glam nails. I was like, okay, perfect, because I love making glam nails. You guys know this, and anytime I'm doing a freestyle, adding glitter and rhinestones is almost like a must at this point. Like, I love the way the nails look with glitter and stones. Honestly, I don't think I could ever be like a simple nail girl. I actually am like so excited because I recently did my own nails. I made myself some little almond nails. I didn't record them or anything just because I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I just did some red French tips and I put some rhinestones on it. And I think it's like the most simple set that I've ever had on my hands before, ever in my life, and that says a lot because it's like I never thought that I would like them, and I actually really love them. They're just like a plain red French, and they have like some glitter French tips on some of the nails, and then plain French on the other nails, and then some stones on only a few of the fingers. So yeah, I just love the way they look. If you haven't seen them on my Instagram, they actually turned out so pretty. And I think I'm like totally loving the almond shape. I'm already excited to do another nail design. Like I already want to make more, like make myself another set, because they are press on nails, and I already want to make myself another set because I feel like they're so cute. The almond shape looks so like, I don't know, like it just looks way better. Like long nails are just not for me. um I absolutely love them. Like I love long nails. I love making long nails. Anytime somebody asks me for long nails, I get excited because I hate making short nails, but for me personally to wear, like I can't wear long nails anymore, and I feel like they don't look good on me anymore. So yeah, the little almond nails are my new favorites. And another thing I was gonna say is that I actually put them on with like the sticky nail tabs, and they stayed so well. I'm gonna put the nail tabs that I use in the description box because I feel like it might be kind of hard to find good nail tabs that you guys can give to your customers if you guys do press on nails, or even if you want to do press on nails for yourself and you don't want to use glue. Like me personally, I get tired of nail designs pretty quickly. Like I wore these little red ones for I think about a week, and then I wanted to take them off right away. They could have stayed on longer. I forced them off. Like the nail tabs were so strong that my nails were like like not my nails, but like the press on nails I put on, they didn't want to come off. Like I kind of forced them off. But yeah, those nail tabs are really good quality. They're actually very strong for just being little stickers. Like I never knew nail tabs could be that strong. So anyway, now I'm applying a second coat to the pink nails. I already went ahead and applied the gold glitter I was talking to you guys about on the middle finger, and as you can see, it's so sparkly and so reflective. I don't know if you guys follow Nailzbydev's like page and stuff, but she's coming out with a Christmas collection, and it looks absolutely incredible. Like it's so beautiful, all these glitter colors, and I think I'm gonna buy the entire collection. I think it comes out this Sunday, and I really want it so bad because her glitter colors that I picked up from last year, I already purchased doubles of almost all of them because that's how much I use them, and I'm like obsessed. So her colors are really incredible, and yeah, I just absolutely love her stuff. So yeah, and I'm sorry if you guys hear snoring in the background. It's my dog. She's sleeping right next to me. But now what I'm doing is after all the nails are cured, I'm going in and top coating them with my Beetles gel top coat, my favorite top coat ever, as you guys know. So the next thing I did was I grabbed the beautiful lilac purple color from Nail Reserve, and I'm putting it all over the ring finger. I knew that I wanted to bling out this nail. Like I said, these nails were going to be glam, so I'm going ahead and applying 2 coats of this to this nail and curing in between both layers. And I always make sure to cure for at least 60 seconds. And then I am going ahead and going in with this shiny glittery top coat. This one is from Enailcouture. If you guys didn't, just check out my most recent favorites video. You guys should totally check it out. I'm literally telling you guys all my in-depth favorites of like the stuff that I repurchase all the time. So yeah, this was mentioned in that video, and here it is like in action. It is the most beautiful shimmery top coat color. Not even a color, it's just clear, but like shimmery top coat, and it is amazing. So I knew for sure I wanted to kind of glitterize these nails, the thumb and the pinky, because I wasn't gonna make them so glam. I was just gonna put like light glam rhinestones on them. So I just went ahead and made them shimmery because I didn't want them to just be plain. And I'm applying a nice thick layer of that so that the shimmer is like actually noticeable, and then curing it, and I'm doing that to all the pink nails. Next, I'm going in with my Zuley's Bling adhesive. This is what I'm going to be using to apply all my charms and stones. And I love this bling adhesive. If you guys haven't tried it already, definitely try it because it will make sure that your stones last all day long. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of videos, or like I saw a TikTok person, I think, talking about how the Macart rhinestone gel is actually really, really good, and like your stones will never fall off and stuff. And I used to use it before, and then I stopped using it because like 2 to 3 customers ended up telling me that their stones ended up falling off within like the first 2 days. So I was like, maybe my rhinestone gel is not good, and I had just bought that one. So that this happened like more than a year ago. So then I was like, I stopped buying it and then only started using Zuley. And recently, literally just yesterday, I got it in the mail again, and I already used it, and it feels like it's very strong and very sturdy. And I'm gonna try it out on my next set of nails, my little almond nails that I'm gonna do for myself, and we're going to see if it lasts and if they hold up. I kind of want to try it with charms and stones just to see what I can like glue down with it and see if it actually lasts, and if they may be reformulated, or maybe I got a good bottle this time. Maybe I got a bad one last time. But yeah, anyway, that's another rambling that I was just wanted to tell you guys about. For this nail, I went ahead and grabbed this really cute little snowflake charm. It's the one that I put closest to the cuticle area. I got it from AliExpress, I think, or maybe Shein. I will try to find the most similar one for you guys if you're interested. And then I went ahead and grabbed this really beautiful little cubic zirconia nail charm that I for sure got from AliExpress, and it was actually in one of my nail hauls a few videos or a few months back. And then I'm grabbing this pretty rhinestone. It's just like a pear shape flat back stone that's kind of like purpley, but like I don't know really what the color is. That will also be in the description box. And then I'm grabbing some opal regular rhinestones, like SS stones, and these are also from AliExpress, and I only use glass stones. I never use plastic, so I always make sure that they're, you know, good quality in that form at least. And then yeah, I'm just applying that to the ring finger. So the next thing that I wanted to say is whenever you apply too much of the Zuley's Bling adhesive, because this little bottle squirter, it kind of comes out really fast. You'll see there, I just grab a little lint-free wipe and kind of soak up the extra glue on the edges of the stones. Just because I don't like when there's so much glue on the sides, so I just try to kind of clean it up. You'll see me do it again right now. But anyways, I just went ahead with these really pretty little gold stones, and I'm applying these to the thumb and the pinky. Just 3 of them to just, you know, add a little razzle dazzle, but like I don't want it to be too extra. Right here is what I mean, is I'm like kind of just cleaning it up before it dries. And then this is the part where you want to go in with your like bling adhesive spray. Or the hurry up nail glue dryer is what I use. And then once everything is fully dried, I went ahead and filed my nails down, cleaned off my rhinestones, and this is the finished result. The nails turned out absolutely stunning. I'm so glad that my customer loved them. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate all of you guys that leave nice comments under my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!